We run development programs in the outdoors, and it is essential that what the participants gain from their experiences can be translated into our modern world. For this purpose, we have designed a number of tools which help us identify and respond to individuals' unique development needs. This is our social and emotional development dynamic. It identifies the vast array of factors which influence individual behaviour and determines our ability to learn and develop. Within the dynamic, everything is connected to everything else in some way, with some of those connections being direct and some more indirect. The green circles are areas which form the foundation of how we interact with the world. Things like our sense of belonging, or our sense of identity, and our sense of security, and these things are constantly being developed throughout our life. The blue circles relate to an individual's own preferences, in this case our preferred learning style. For example, some of us learn best by doing things, some by seeing things done, and some by hearing it explained. The red circles relate to well-known drivers of behaviour, in this case Maslow's hierarchy of needs. In the outdoors it becomes very clear how many things in life are unnecessary, how few things are necessary, and just how necessary those few things are. This is why nature is such a powerful learning and development environment. Here are a couple of examples of how these things link together. Our sense of purpose is largely driven by what is motivating us, and therefore it is directly linked to it. So if someone is not displaying a sense of purpose in a task, it will be important to identify what motivates them. Similarly, a person's sense of competence and purpose are linked, i.e. it normally helps if you are good at something. The factor which most directly affects this link is an individual's own learning style preferences, and it will be important to identify what these are. The purpose of identifying and using this knowledge in a development program is to help an individual or a team be as able as possible, regardless as to the situation, task or challenge that faces them. And we as animals should always be aiming to increase our capability. With a level of personal understanding, this knowledge leads to a cycle of positive reinforcement and can be transferred to any environment, including at work and at home. This is just one tool we use, but it probably is the most useful. Obviously there is a lot of information backing up the tool, and it is only really useful in the hands of someone suitably informed and qualified. For this reason, in our learning and development programs, we employ a qualified coach with a professional background in learning and development. In the right hands, the tool has three primary functions. One, as a reminder of the complex factors which determine behaviour and ability to learn and develop. Secondly, as a means of identifying sticking points which are unique to the team or to the individual. And thirdly, as a toolkit for designing interventions which will best serve the team or the individual. We hope you found this short video informative and interesting. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us, and we look forward to introducing you to the wilderness.